copy and paste. Moreover, we'll be sharing with you some of the best strategies and techniques that you can use to start earning a passive income from the comfort of your own home. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take notes, because we're about to reveal the secrets to earning a passive income that could change your life forever. In that case, let's start right away. Type.ai is the name of the website we'll be utilizing. By the way, this is the key to our easy financial success. Therefore, don't overlook its significance. Type.ai is an artificial intelligence-driven writer tool developed for the express purpose of writing engaging product descriptions. It's a fantastic tool for anyone interested in freelancing their writing services online for clients. Instead of spending hours writing the ideal product description, you can just use Type.ai. Inputting the product's fundamental details into the AI is all that is required. In just a few minutes, you'll have a high-quality description that you can tweak to perfection. Type.ai's user-friendliness is one of its many strengths. There is zero entry barrier in terms of required knowledge or experience. The program is straightforward and simple to use, so you can quickly begin writing expert product descriptions. What I like best about Type is that it provides very precise results and may provide explanations that are uniquely suited to the reader. Tone and style options vary from friendly and conversational to serious and businesslike. This allows you to tailor your product descriptions to your company's image and the preferences of your ideal customers. Let's say you own an internet store offering a brand new skincare line. You need to write a product description that will interest and persuade readers to make a purchase. Use Type.ai to quickly and easily produce high-quality product descriptions. Instead of spending hours doing it manually, simply insert the name, key, features, and advantages of your product, and you're all set. Input data of this kind and we'll utilize its AI-driven technology to automatically produce a detailed description of the goods you're selling. This summary will emphasize the most important aspects of your product, including its components, advantages, and ability to enhance the appearance and health of the skin. Also, you may modify the description to reflect the voice and tone of your company. You may, for instance, tailor the level of formality or informality of the language to the demographics of your readership. Now that you're familiar with Type.ai, let's discuss how to monetize your account. First, visit the website Fiverr. The first thing to do is look around on Fiverr for any product descriptions. If you haven't heard of it before, Fiverr is a website where freelancers advertise their services to potential customers all around the world. Any type of service you can think of, from graphic design and writing to coding and video editing, is for sale on this platform. Most gigs on Fiverr may be purchased for as little as $5, thus the name. Yet, the platform has developed over time to provide a wide variety of services at varying costs, based on the freelancer's degree of experience and competence. The fact that freelancers from all around the world are accessible through Fiverr is one of its many advantages. As a consequence, you get access to more potential employees and in certain cases, save money on service fees. And Fiverr is an excellent starting point for any freelancer interested in earning money online. You may make a profile, list your qualifications, and start receiving requests for your services from people all around the world. The work and offerings of other self-employed people can also be researched. Hence, if you need a product description written, you may discover hundreds of freelancers providing their services on the website Fiverr. You'll see that the price per product description offered by these freelancers ranges from $20 to $100, depending on the writer's level of experience and competence. This demonstrates the customers have a strong need for and are prepared to pay for detailed product descriptions. If you want to generate money on the internet, this is a great place to begin. Second, make your own Type.ai product descriptions. Once you've perused a few gigs offering product descriptions, you'll find that many of them follow the same basic format. Typical content includes product descriptions, advantages, features, and other pertinent information for potential buyers. Let me let you in on a little secret. With platforms like Type.ai, you may generate your own product description gigs on Fiverr. Just cut and paste the other contractors' descriptions into Type.ai. You may then modify and improve the descriptions to your liking from that point on. You may get started on Fiverr as a freelancer providing product descriptions by making your own gigs. With Type.ai, you can produce high-quality material rapidly, allowing you to provide your services at rates your customers will like. It's true that if you want to make money by creating your own gigs, you'll have to put in some work to promote them. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, you can attract a constant stream of customers and launch a successful freelancing career. The third stage entails uploading the product descriptions to Fiverr. It's time to put your own Type.ai generated product description jobs up on Fiverr so that clients can discover and employ you. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up for Fiverr. You may create your seller profile and gig listings by clicking the Become a Seller button once you've registered. Follow the on-screen instructions after clicking the Create a New Gig button. Choose a category for your gig, write a title and description, decide on a price, and add any accompanying media, pictures, videos, etc. Pricing your engagement competitively while also ensuring you've been compensated adequately for your time and effort is essential. We have researched what other freelancers charge for comparable work, so please set your rates accordingly. You should also utilize keywords in your gig title and description that people could type into the search bar to find services like yours while looking for product descriptions on Fiverr. More people will find your gig because of this improvement in visibility. Gig promotion is the fourth step. You should start advertising and promoting your Fiverr gigs with product descriptions once they are live. This is crucial if you want people to employ you to write product descriptions because you want them to be able to locate you. Social media may be a great tool for spreading the word about your performances. Who doesn't enjoy catching up on their friends' latest posts on Facebook or tweets? You should let folks know what you're up to by posting links to your gigs on your social media profiles. You can also promote your jobs by joining Facebook groups devoted to your specific field. Including links to your jobs in your email signature is another effective method of advertising them. Every time you send an email, the recipient will be exposed to your gig link and have the opportunity to learn more about your offerings. It's a low-key method of advertising your identity and interests. Putting yourself out there and advertising your job is a continuous effort. It may take some time to create a solid client base, but if you stick with it, you'll eventually see some fantastic results. Keep in mind that your chances of making money as a freelancer on Fiverr increase in direct proportion to the number of gigs you create and market. Now you know the answer. You may now copy and paste with Type.ai and Fiverr to make $4,000 per month. I hope you learned something from this and are motivated to create your own product description gigs on Fiverr. We hope you enjoyed the video. But now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money just by merely doing this Google trick. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.